All right, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is something I feel is pretty special. But before we dive into the video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to you guys and gals thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But all the opinions and thoughts that you're going to hear are 100% my own and were not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion because, as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 with you guys and gals. So without further ado, let's spin the cameras around and let's get into today's video. All right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, everyone. So today, what I have for everyone is another style of product that I haven't covered in a long time. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Fanlory universal phone/tablet stand with integrated Bluetooth speaker and charging station. So for those of you guys and gals that are new to the channel, I really enjoy reviewing phone/tablet stands. It's one of my favorite inexpensive pastimes. I have really good high quality phone/tablet stands everywhere. And again, I haven't reviewed this style of product in a while, and it kind of integrates two of my favorite things: a Bluetooth speaker and a phone/tablet stand. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let me get into my first impressions and let's get the full review process started. But before we dive in, as I said at the beginning of the video, this is another product brought to you guys and gals thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program, meaning that I did get this free of charge, but that in no way, shape, form, or fashion is going to influence my overall opinions. But that does mean that the full written review of this product will be up on Amazon before the full video review is published on YouTube. So if you really want to get a really up-to-date and concise opinion as to how I feel about this product, please make sure you follow me on Amazon, okay? That way you'll also get notified when the written review goes live on Amazon as well. But I just got to put that out there. Amazon was gracious enough to make me a part of their Vine program, so it's only right that when they give me the opportunity to look at products, that I go ahead and get those written reviews out the way up front, okay? But that, as I said, in no way, shape, form, or fashion is going to influence my overall opinions or how I feel about this product, because as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here. Also, if you guys and gals enjoyed this product or it piques your interest, all the affiliated buy links for the product will be available down below in the video description. This whole video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Google Pixel 6a in 4K at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So also, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality. And I do have audio focus turned on for the Pixel 6a. Okay? So all that housekeeping stuff is out the way. And now let's go ahead and dive into this unboxing and first impressions. Now, talking about the packaging, Fanlory, you guys did a good job here. I like the color scheme. So you can see it's a nice black, red, and white color scheme. You got pictures of the product here. So you can see this is the phone/tablet stand with integrated Bluetooth speaker. And you can see it does fold flat there. Okay. And it is available in two colors, as y'all can see there, black and white. I'm not entirely sure which color they sent out. Now it does say black on the barcode, but sometimes Amazon can get that wrong, so we'll see when we crack into the box. Okay. In particular, this is the model F25. Okay, good stuff there. All right, flipping it to the bottom. Okay, so it's just telling you again, this is a mobile phone stand with integrated wireless speaker. Okay, you got the ohms for the speaker, and you got the battery for the speaker as well. So 18,650 milliamps. Oh man, that means this thing should have some great battery life. Okay, and we do have a USB port for charging your device as well. Okay, so again, as I said, this is an integrated Bluetooth speaker with phone/tablet stand, and it also can double as a charging station because you got that USB port, so you can charge up devices as well. All right, really nice stuff there on the bottom of the packaging. Okay, let's flip it to the side. More of the same like what's on the top. Okay, flip it to the back. We already checked out the back. Check out the other side, same thing. Okay, let's go ahead and crack this open. All right. So we have a charging plug here. Looks like USB-A to USB Type-C. Yes. Now, in all honesty, I have high quality cables plugged up all around my desk, so I'm probably not going to use that. But it's really nice to see that this is another product that incorporates USB Type-C. Say it with me. USB Type-C, all the things. I like that. Now let's get the product out. Oh, yeah, this thing is kind of heavy. Inside of a nice protective bag here. Let's pull this out. Oh boy, it's really in there. Okay, so that's the product. Let's rest this down for a second. Let's rest this right here. Get this bag out of here. Okay, what else do we got? We do have a user manual in here as well. Really nice colored user manual it looks like. Alright. Check this out. Matter of fact, I'll check this out off camera, but really nice user manual right there. Rest that off to the side. Nothing else in the box. Let's take the box out of here. Okay, and now let's check out the product. Okay, so I'm guessing that this comes up. Yes, it does. So you can see here's our phone/tablet holder. Okay. And this does look like it's fully adjustable. Okay. Nice, nice. And does it rotate? Yes, it does. So it does rotate 360 degrees. So nice stuff there. Really, really solid as well. And then you can see we got all the buttons for the Bluetooth speaker. So we got volume controls, up and down. We got play pause functionality. Next track and previous track functionality as well. Really good stuff there. Now I don't know if the battery for the Bluetooth is charged, so we gotta probably charge it up before we start using it. But nice solid construction here. And then on the side here we got a USB-C port for charging. You can see it says DC in 5 volts, so this is for charging. And then we got a USB-A port for out charging. So this is to charge a device. This is to charge the speaker itself. Okay, so really good stuff there. Nice solid rubber feet on the bottom. I like that. And then again, we got the model number on the bottom as well. Again, this is the F25. All right, and then also I got a few products here to test real quickly. Does this open? Oh yes, this does open. So I can like adjust this. So we can bring it down like this, bring it up like that. We can bring it back. Okay, so yes, this is fully adjustable. Okay, so got my iPhone here, and y'all can see iPhone goes on there. No problems right here. Portrait mode orientation. Let me bring that down into the frame. No problems. Okay, so if you want to take a video call, FaceTime call, no problem. Okay, landscape mode orientation. Maybe you want to watch a video or, you know, something of that nature. Watch a video, watch a movie, no problems. Okay, put the iPhone down. I also got my tablet right here. Same thing. Tab S6. Landscape orientation, no problems. Okay, so this is really cool. If I want to edit a video on the tablet, just put my tablet on the upper part of my desk, sync the Bluetooth, and now not only do we have really good audio, but we also have a really nice position for the tablet as well. And again, landscape mode orientation, no problem. And then portrait mode orientation, no problem. And that kind of makes it too tall to fit in the frame, but y'all get the idea. So real quick test right there for tablets and phones. Let me put this off to the side here. And honestly, first impressions seem pretty good. It seemed really, really good. And then again, when you're not using it, you can just fold it up and then fold it down, and you can fit this in like a bag, a backpack. This might be able to fit in a pocket if you have baggy jeans, and you're good to go. So not bad at all. So again, this has been my overall first impressions of the Fanlory universal phone/tablet stand with integrated Bluetooth speaker and charging station. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video, or as quick as I can make it anyway. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. You guys and gals stay tuned for the full review. I'm going to go ahead and use this bad boy for 2 weeks straight and come out with my full review and let you guys and gals know how I feel about it. Again, the written review will be published first before the video review is published on YouTube. Okay? I just want to make that clear. And again, this was sent in free of charge, so I do not know the pricing, but I will link up my affiliated links for this product down below, which do have live up-to-date pricing. So if you want to know the pricing for this product, check out the affiliated buy links that will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put into the channel, back into the channel, and that's free of charge for you guys and gals. So your pricing stays the same, and I get a small percentage of kickback that I put back into the channel. Alright? So it's a win-win for everyone in my overall opinion. I hope you guys and gals are having a great day. I hope you guys and gals found this video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And I will see you guys and gals in the next one. Stay safe, everyone. Have a good one. We are out of here. Peace.